Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the creme de la creme of top-rated products. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. In today's countdown, we're diving into the world of soap making. Whether you're a seasoned soap artisan or a curious beginner, these best-selling products on Amazon are sure to inspire and elevate your soap-making journey. So, without further ado, let's get started with our top picks. Stay tuned as we unveil the finest soap-making products that have earned their place at the top of Amazon's bestseller list. Let's begin! At number 10, we have the extraordinary 5 pounds goat's milk soap base. Imagine a soap base that's been perfected over 150 years, offering not just cleanliness, but a luxurious skincare experience. This Greek goat's milk soap base is dermatologically checked, making it a gentle yet effective choice for all skin types, especially those with dry or aging skin. Let's dive into its organic essence. This soap base is enriched with Mediterranean olive oil and coconut oil, two powerhouse ingredients known for their deep cleansing and hydrating properties. Picture a lush, creamy lather that leaves your skin feeling refreshed and nourished without any of the harsh chemicals that other soaps might contain. But that's not all. This nature-friendly soap base is free from palm oil, SLEs, parabens, and other harsh ingredients. It's a product that's kind to your skin and kind to the planet. Packaged in recyclable materials that meet FSC standards, it's an eco-conscious choice for any soap maker. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the included recipe book is a treasure trove of ideas and inspiration. With this DIY melt and pour soap kit, your creativity can soar as you blend, mix, and experiment with various bases, colors, and scents to craft the perfect soap. The ingredients list reads like a skincare dream: aqua, glycerin, sorbitol, olive oil, coconut oil, stearic acid, hydrolyzed goat milk, and more. Each ingredient is meticulously chosen to create a soap base that's as nourishing as it is cleansing. The 5 pounds goat's milk soap base is not just a product, it's a journey into the world of organic, luxurious, and eco-friendly soap making. Perfect your craft with this exceptional soap base and experience the true essence of natural skincare. Sliding into number 9 on our list of best-selling soap-making supplies on Amazon, we present the Walfo Silicone Soap Mold Set of 3. This vibrant trio, blue, purple, and pink, offers you not just molds, but a world of creative possibilities. Picture this: 6 perfectly shaped cavities in each mold, ready to transform your homemade creations into beautiful, professional-quality soaps, cakes, chocolates, and even ice cubes. Crafted from safe, food-grade silicone, these molds are BPA-free and flexible, making them as durable as they are practical. Whether you're baking at 446 degrees Fahrenheit or freezing at -104 degrees Fahrenheit, these molds can handle it all. The non-stick surface ensures that your creations pop out effortlessly with just a little push from the bottom. It's like magic in your hands. Ease of use is paramount with the Walfos molds. Pour in your favorite recipe, let it cool, and voila! Your masterpiece emerges without a hitch. These molds are not just for soap. They're your all-in-one solution for baking and freezing. Imagine whipping up delightful muffins, brownies, cornbread, cheesecakes, panna cottas, and more, all with the same set of molds. The versatility here is unmatched. Cleaning up is a breeze too. Pop them in the microwave, oven, refrigerator, freezer, or dishwasher. These molds are built to withstand it all. Their innovative design ensures longevity and reusability, making them a staple in any creative kitchen or crafting corner. What sets Walfos apart is their commitment to premium service. Confident in their product's quality, they guarantee customer satisfaction. Should you have any questions or concerns, their responsive support team is ready to provide the most satisfactory solutions. Ordering is safe and reliable, especially with Amazon Prime. Unleash your creativity and elevate your crafting and baking game with the Walfo Silicone Soap Molds Set of 3. It's not just a tool, it's an experience waiting to be explored. Number 8 on our countdown of the best-selling soap-making products on Amazon is an absolute treasure trove of aromatic delight: the Purador Organic Sweet 16 Essential Oils Set. Imagine a world where the stress of daily life melts away with every breath thanks to these pure therapeutic-grade oils. Aromatherapy isn't just about fragrance, it's a journey to wellness. This meticulously curated set includes 16 different essential oils, each one USDA certified organic, ensuring that you're indulging in the purest essence of nature. From the soothing notes of lavender and ylang ylang to the invigorating zest of lemon and sweet orange, every bottle is a drop of serenity. Let's talk about versatility. These oils aren't just for diffusing, oh no, their uses span far and wide. Elevate your DIY projects, whether it's candle making, soap crafting, or creating your own purifying sprays. Envision the refreshing scent of eucalyptus filling your home, or the energizing aroma of frankincense boosting your concentration throughout the day. This set is your key to transforming mundane chores into luxurious rituals. And the presentation? Simply stunning. Housed in a beautifully crafted wooden box, these 10 ml bottles of liquid magic are perfect for sleek storage or as an elegant gift. Imagine the delight on someone's face as they unwrap this artisan treasure, discovering the aromatic wonders within. Think of the possibilities: a calming lavender-infused bath after a long day, a revitalizing burst of peppermint in your morning routine, or a fresh citrusy aroma wafting through your laundry. This set is not just a collection of oils, it's an invitation to create a sanctuary of tranquility and energy. With the Pure Adore Organic Sweet 16 Essential Oils set, you're not just purchasing a product, you're investing in a lifestyle of relaxation and wellness. Perfect your home, perfect your craft, and perfect your peace of mind. Dive into the world of aromatherapy and let each drop of these exquisite oils transform your daily life. Securing the number 7 spot on our list of best-selling soap-making products on Amazon, we have the Brambleberry Cashmere Fragrance Oil. Imagine infusing your creations with a luxurious and inviting scent that wraps you in a warm, cozy embrace. This fragrance oil is more than just an aroma, it's an experience that elevates your homemade soaps, candles, lotions, and bath bombs to new heights. Crafted with care and conscientiousness, this vegan, phthalate, and paraben-free formula ensures that you can indulge in its delightful scent without compromising on your values or skin safety. It's perfect for those who seek both luxury and peace of mind in their DIY projects. Versatility is key with the Brambleberry Cashmere Fragrance Oil. Picture it: a single bottle that can transform your soap-making endeavors, candle crafting, lotion blending, and even your homemade bath bombs. It's a scent that seamlessly integrates into a myriad of projects, making it an essential addition to any creator's toolkit. But the magic doesn't stop there. This fragrance oil offers a long-lasting aroma, ensuring that your creations maintain their delicate and enduring scent. Whether you're making candles to infuse your home with a comforting atmosphere or crafting soaps that leave a lasting impression, this fragrance oil delivers every time. Envision the possibilities: a cozy evening with candles that emit a soft cashmere scent, or a luxurious bath with bath bombs that envelop you in warmth. Every drop of this fragrance oil brings a touch of elegance and comfort, making your homemade creations truly stand out. The Brambleberry Cashmere Fragrance Oil is not just a product, it's an invitation to create, to indulge, and to transform everyday items into extraordinary experiences. Elevate your DIY projects with this exquisite fragrance and let its luxurious scent redefine your crafting journey. At number 6, we have a dazzling treasure for all your creative needs: the Mica Powder 24 Colors Set. Imagine a palette bursting with 24 spectacularly vibrant shades, each bottle brimming with 10 grams of pure artistic potential. This isn't just any pigment powder, it's a gateway to transforming your DIY projects into dazzling masterpieces. Picture this: with just a touch of mica powder, you can achieve a stunning effect that lasts. Its shiny surface reflects light in a way that makes every creation pop with life. Whether you're working on epoxy resin, soap, candles, lip gloss, or bath bombs, this mica powder brings a burst of color that elevates your art to a whole new level. Crafted from natural mica minerals, this powder is free from harmful substances and irritants. It's 100% natural, mild, and non-toxic, ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike who value both quality and safety. Its high-density formula means that a little goes a long way, delivering rich, long-lasting color with every use. Versatility is the name of the game. This mica powder is your go-to solution for a wide array of applications, from eye-catching eyeshadows and lip glosses to mesmerizing resin art, vibrant nail polish, and beautifully colored bath bombs. It's perfect for adding a touch of brilliance to candles, coasters, and even slime. Ease of use is a highlight here. The pigment powder is incredibly easy to mix and dissolve, making it perfect for coloring resins and other mediums. Remember, a little goes a long way. Add a small amount at a time, stir, and observe the transformation. To make your crafting experience even smoother, each set includes 2 spoons for effortless powder retrieval, a brush for precise application, and a bottle opener. And here's the best part, the customer service is as stellar as the product. Confident in their Mica powder's quality, the team is ready to assist with any questions or concerns. If for any reason you're not satisfied, they offer a hassle-free refund. Dive into the world of color with the Mica powder, 24 colors set, and let your creativity shine with every project. It's more than just pigment, it's the key to unlocking your artistic potential. Are you loving our countdown of the best-selling soap-making products on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm go down the drain. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss out on our sudsy updates. Coming in at number 5, we have the Mica powder for epoxy resin. A dazzling array of 36 vibrant colors that promises to elevate your creative projects to new heights. This set isn't just about adding color, it's about unlocking endless possibilities for your art and crafts. Imagine infusing your creations with premium quality mica powder, meticulously crafted from naturally ground stone mica. Each of these 0.35-ounce bottles delivers pure, long-lasting pigments free from harmful chemicals and irritants. This means you can indulge your creative spirit knowing you're working with the finest odorless mica powder available. Prepare to be amazed by the spectrum of colors included in this set. With 36 unique shades featuring 6 stunning mirage colors and 30 dazzling metallic mica powder options, you'll have every hue you could possibly need. Each bottle contains 10 grams of vibrant pigment, ensuring that your crafting endeavors are nothing short of spectacular. Versatility is at the heart of this mica powder set. Whether you're creating shimmering lip gloss, designing eye-catching epoxy resin art, crafting soaps and bath bombs, or even adding a splash of color to your makeup or nail art, these pigments are perfect for any project. From acrylic paints to slime and candles, the possibilities are truly limitless. But that's not all. This mica powder is as kind to your skin as it is to your creative process. Cruelty-free and vegan, it's non-toxic and gentle, making it an excellent choice for cosmetics like eyeshadow and lip gloss. And for those looking for the perfect gift, look no further. This set is an ideal present for any artist or craft enthusiast. Whether it's for a wedding, Halloween, Christmas, Easter, a birthday, or just because it's sure to delight anyone who loves to create. With the mica powder for epoxy resin, you're not just adding color, you're adding magic to your crafts. Let your creativity shine with this premium set and turn every project into a masterpiece. At number 4, we unveil the Primal Elements Aloe Soap Base, a game changer in the realm of DIY soap crafting. This 5-pound powerhouse is more than just a base. It's your ticket to crafting luxurious, skin-loving soap that's as kind to your skin as it is to the environment. Crafted with a focus on natural wellness, this melt and pour glycerin soap base harnesses the soothing properties of aloe vera. Imagine a soap that doesn't just cleanse, but actually helps relieve dry, itchy skin and promotes healing. Aloe vera's natural goodness is your ally in creating a bar that enhances comfort and rejuvenates your skin with every wash. Beyond hydration, this aloe soap base works wonders in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and blemishes. It's not just about cleansing, it's about achieving a youthful, radiant complexion. With Primal Elements Aloe Soap Base, you're not just making soap, you're making a skincare treatment that reveals younger-looking skin. Versatility meets ease with this soap base. Its melt and pour formulation makes it incredibly user-friendly, perfect for both novice crafters and seasoned soap makers. Whether you're customizing soap to suit your unique skin type or adding a touch of personal flair to your creations, this base delivers. And let's not forget the values behind the product. This soap base is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and crafted from vegetable glycerin. Free from parabens and sodium lauryl sulfate, it aligns with a commitment to clean, ethical beauty. Primal Elements offers a range of soap bases, from clear and opaque to colored options. But if you're looking to infuse your craft with the soothing essence of aloe vera, this is the base that should top your list. Elevate your soap-making game with the Primal Elements Aloe Soap Base, where natural care meets creative possibility. At number 3, we introduce the Rolio Premium Mica Powder Pearlescent Color Pigment, the ultimate art set for elevating your DIY creations. With 24 dazzling jars of pigment, this set is your gateway to a spectrum of vibrant colors that will transform any project from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine a world where your artistic vision bursts with brilliance. That's what Rolio delivers. Each jar is packed with intensely pigmented powder, meaning you don't need to use heaps to achieve stunning, eye-catching results. A little bit goes a long way, ensuring you get the exact color you crave without any waste. This isn't just a pigment, it's a versatile tool for crafting creativity. Whether you're diving into resin epoxy art, jazzing up your hand soaps, creating dazzling candles, or even adding a touch of sparkle to your makeup, Rolio's mica powder has you covered. It's perfect for everything from nail polish to slime, giving you endless possibilities to explore. Crafted with care by artists and craftsmen, these fine pigments are not only vibrant but safe and easy to use. Each resealable jar holds about 10 grams of pure color, allowing you to mix and match with ease. Rolio's mica powder isn't just about immediate impact, it's about lasting brilliance. This long-lasting powder ensures your projects maintain their stunning sheen over time, whether you're making soap, resin art, or anything in between. Transform your creative endeavors with the Rolio Premium Mica Powder. It's more than just color, it's the key to unlocking your artistic potential. At number 2, we present the April Fresh Downy Fragrance Oil, an olfactory game changer for all your aromatic needs. Imagine infusing every corner of your home with the fresh, invigorating scent of clean laundry. With 60 milliliters of premium fragrance oil, the possibilities are endless. April Fresh Downy isn't just a fragrance, it's a versatile ingredient that transforms your DIY projects and everyday items into aromatic masterpieces. Perfect for soap making, candle crafting, and even skin and hair care formulations, this oil lets you create personalized scents that reflect your unique style. Turn your home into a sanctuary with just a few drops. Whether you're freshening up linens, enhancing bath bombs, or creating luxurious massage oils, this fragrance oil is your secret weapon. It's also fantastic for custom air fresheners, scented dryer sheets, and potpourri. Add it to cleaning products for a subtle, uplifting scent that makes chores feel less like a task and more like a treat. Crafted with expertise in the USA, each bottle of Nature's Oil premium grade fragrance is concentrated and meticulously developed by master perfumers. With decades of industry experience, they ensure that every drop adheres to the highest standards, delivering a scent that's both long-lasting and delightful. Packaged in a sleek 60 milliliters glass amber bottle with an easy dispensing Euro dropper and safety seal cap, this fragrance oil is as functional as it is elegant. Unlock the full potential of your creative and daily routines with April Fresh Downy Fragrance Oil. It's not just a scent, it's a fresh start for all your projects and spaces. Ending our top 10 countdown is the Kukka Tea Tree Oil, a quintessential elixir for your skin, hair, and nails. This 4-ounce bottle of 100% pure, natural tea tree essential oil promises unparalleled therapeutic benefits that elevate your self-care routine. Imagine rejuvenating your hair with this potent oil. Kukka Tea Tree Oil enriches your scalp with essential nutrients, transforming dry, brittle strands into luscious, full-bodied locks. It restores moisture and promotes vitality so you can say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, manageable hair. But it doesn't stop there. Our tea tree oil is a powerhouse for your skin as well. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling soap-making products on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we featured today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.